Well, Bubba left us.
Gone.
Gone. See what you have? Oh, please don't pet me. Because they cry and cry. I'm gonna take them. Follow along today as we do our normal daily farm activities between kids and animals and all these birds. We hope you can sit back, relax, and enjoy our day with us. There they are in their corner, just like always. Yep, every morning they're in this corner. There's baby cow. Sheep. Bun Bun. Hi. Good morning. You going with us? You going with Mommy and Daddy? We are back from delivering a few baby chicks to a new customer, and we have one chick left from this week's hatch, and it is out here crying. It is really not good to have one chick all by itself. Come on, baby. Because they cry and cry because they're sad and they get stressed out. Yeah. So I'm going to take it out to our olive eggers. Those are about 2.5 weeks old, and see if it's too small to put with them so you're not lonely. Yeah, you want to go to the barn? Good morning, babies. That duck is out again. Every day this duck is out. Good morning, babies. Ta-da! Buddy Elf. Hi, good morning. Winston. My baby. Sausage Nugget, good morning. Oh, he had some whiskey. Good morning, Bubba. Whiskey, whiskey. Good morning, everybody. I love it every morning, coming out and saying hi to everybody. They're always excited to see me. I think as excited as I am to see them. All right, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, they're too big. That's just not gonna work. Aww. Oh, that's not gonna work. You're too little. You're just too little. We're gonna have a plan B for this baby. Yeah, plan B. Plan B. What can we do with you? What should we do with you? You're so cute. So So Preston is going on a weekend dove hunting trip. We're about to go take him and drop him off. So he'll be leaving for the whole weekend, and he's taking Boone with him. And we want him to have so much fun, but we are gonna miss him dearly.
I can put one more on there, man.
You excited?
Yeah, excited.
Getting everything ready?
Yeah.
He started already loading up the truck, babe.
You need one to hook to that one, then to hook it to the
Yeah, I might.
the cage. What color you want?
I makes bumpers that are meant for the kennels, and you just hook them on.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you thinking? You thinking you get to go bye-byes too in the car again? Is that what you think?
What are you gonna do about this guy or girl being by itself? It's excited.
Well, it's so excited. I've got to figure that out. I'm gonna go collect some eggs before we leave and get them put in the house in case it gets too warm today. Is he almost unpacking?
I don't know. I'll find out.
Okay. Go collect eggs. What are you doing? Got one egg there. What are you doing? Do you have an egg under you? This is not your nose. Oh, girl. Hey. Nope. Hey. Nope. I'm gonna take them. Sorry. They're not your eggs. These are not your eggs. Sorry, girl. You're always broody. I'm excited these ones should start laying in the next probably 8 weeks or so. These are the ermine Americanas that we have. Yeah, they're about 17 weeks right now. Alcatraz! What are you talking about? You sausage. Ready? Boop. Give me a little boop. Boop. Vincent. Boop. I love you. Or jerk face. Stay back. Stay back, jerk face. Oh, nothing in there. Okay, girls, thank you so much. Hi, girls. Hi, beautiful babies. You have some eggs for me? What do you have? What do you have? Do you have anything for me? Oh, you're going to peck me? Hi, beautiful girl. You're so pretty. Can I see what you have? Oh, please don't peck me. Let me see. Do you have anything? Oh. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sweet girl. Don't be angry with me. You can make another one tomorrow. Sausage nugget. My baby. Hi, honey. I love you. I love you. I love you. All right, guys, we'll see you in a little bit. We gotta go bye-byes. Whiskey, I love you. Whiskey, I love you. What? I'm sorry. Is that too fast? I love you. I collect eggs around here about 3 times a day, and that's because it's really warm out, so I want to catch them before they get heated by the temperature of the day. It is starting to cool off. It's supposed to be, I think, like 83 today. So they're always in the shade, and they're always going to be fine, but I don't want to take any chances, especially with hatching eggs. Is he ready to go yet? Got everything?
Got everything.
Got the boy?
Got the boy.
You ready, Bubba? You got everything. Do we need to do a rundown one more time?
No.
What about the dog?
He's back there.
He's in his new kennel.
Yeah. No, I won't.
Well, Bubba left us.
Gone.
Gone. He is off to go dove hunting in southwest Oklahoma, so he should have a great time. When will he be back? Sunday?
Sunday.
Him and Boone are gone, so we'll miss him, but we hope that they get tons of dove because he keeps sending me these recipes, and it looks like you need more than just, 1 or 2 dove for it, and I hope that happens for them.
Right.
If not, they're going to have some really awesome things to go sightseeing. They said that there's an old barn, and there's some mountains out there, so I hope that they have a great time.
woods.
You could have, you know, made 2 trips maybe.
Yeah. That'd have probably been easier. It's heavy. Gotta stay hydrated.
It is finally cooled off. It is 82.
82. It's
And
supposed to get down to like 59 tonight.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's gonna be a
cold in the
nice
morning.
night. It's gonna be great. We gotta get up early. Oh, there's a bird out.
Oh yeah, we do gotta get up.
There's a bird out. Oh, there's a couple
of
birds out.
Dang,
They're coming out that hole. I put rocks in there. Look, they're all out. You go that way, I go this way. You know what I did last time? I opened this up.
Did you?
Yeah, and then bring them all
Okay, I'll steer
around.
that way.
Start. You gotta start on this side too. Ready? Okay, go, go, go. Everybody go. Everybody go. Everybody go. Everybody go. Everybody go. The dogs are scaring them. Everybody go. Go, go, go. Go, follow your friends.
Wow.
I'm magic.
You're a little bird herder.
I'm a bird herder and a bird catcher.
Yeah. Oh, I got that open. I'll pull this out.
Hi, babies. Isabella. Here we go. Whiskey, come on. Come on. It's getting late. Let's go. Eggs. Good job. Good job. Thank you. 3 eggs today from 3 girls. Awesome. Baby cow. Baby cow. 1 more egg in the nest and 2 more on the ground, guys. Come on. Really wish you would use your nest box. Two more. Thank you so much. Thank you, girls. Hi, babies. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful night. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.